The PlayStation PULSE Explore Wireless Earbuds are Sony's upcoming earbuds focused primarily on gaming, promising a lightning-fast connection and lossless audio. But what exactly do you get in the box? Well, let's find out. Now, full disclosure, Sony did provide the PULSE Explore Wireless Earbuds to me with pre-launch access. These guys actually launch on December 6th, 2023, and it's November 11th, 2023 at the time of this recording, so I have plenty of time to really dive in, get to know these, test them out, and give a nice full review before they even launch.
Happy listening from our sponsor, SVS. Acclaimed for punching well above their class, experience thrilling and immersive sound from SVS speakers, subwoofers, and cables at an affordable price. Join the sound revolution today. Visit svsound.com.
So let's take a quick glance around the box before we actually get to unboxing. So on the sides, we have the contents listed here. I'll go over those when I actually do the unboxing. Opposite side, we have compatible hardware. Now this is obviously compatible with the PlayStation 5, PC and Mac. Both of those require the PlayStation Link USB dongle that you get in the box. You also get Bluetooth functionality. So you can actually use this with your phone, your tablet, anything like that. Great thing is you can actually take a call while you're gaming. The person on the other end won't be able to hear that you're gaming. You can also listen to music from your smartphone or tablet while you're gaming at the same time. What isn't listed on here but actually is supported is PlayStation Portal. Obviously, that's their new handheld device. So that will work seamlessly out of the box. You won't need a PlayStation Link adapter at all for that. If we take a look around back, we just have some information here. They use planar magnetic drivers, which are the studio-inspired drivers that they've kind of promoted, Sony has. PlayStation Link, the lightning fast connection, and then the Bluetooth support. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and unbox these now, yay. I have not unboxed these at all, so I'm doing this for the first time with you guys. So let's open this up. Just take that little guy off of there, and then these should just kind of come out like this. Yep. And that just fell out. I don't even know what's happening. Right away, you get some just documentation here. It kind of tells you what to do, how to sync everything, just an overview of the PULSE Explorers. And then we'll kind of skip over this. This is the charging case and the PULSE Explorers. Take a look down here first. You do get a USB cable. So this is a USB-A to USB Type-C. So this is for charging the case. You get the PlayStation Link USB dongle. We'll talk about that in a moment. You get 3 different ear tip sizes. So depending on the size of your ears, you should have something that will fit you, that will provide a nice seal. Along with that, you get a safety guide. And then here is the actual charging case itself. All right. So this is actually pretty sleek looking. This has the same aesthetic as the PlayStation console itself. So even if you have the new PlayStation Slim or the original 2020 launch model or the 2022 model, this should all work together. We have the USB-C plug on the side for charging this guy. And then I think it just slides out like that. Yep, there we go. So we have the PULSE Explorers right inside here. We have a link button right here for connecting to the link, I believe. And then if we kind of take these out, we can see the metal contacts on the inside here. I don't know if you can see that on camera. These are what actually charge the earbuds themselves. So if we take a look at the earbuds themselves, we can see that we have the left and right ones here. And they already have earbud tips pre-installed, super cool. They each have the metal contacts here for charging. They each have link buttons on the inside or this side, I guess, closest to the, like how they would go in your ear. I'll put them on in just a second so you could see. And then on the opposite side, they both seem to have up and down volume controls. I really like the way these look. I mean, just with the standard ear tips in, I mean, they just kind of go in like a standard earphones. Yeah, they do seem to fit pretty well. I'm not gonna, like, they're not gonna fall out or anything like that. So super cool. I do like them. I like that you get the additional ear tips in there as well. So in case you have smaller ears or bigger ears, that they should work. I believe they are just magnetic, so they just slide back in here like that, and then you close it. So super awesome. I do want to quickly talk about the PlayStation Link. So this is the little guy that plugs into your PlayStation 5, PC, or Mac. And this is what provides that lightning fast connection that's in all the promo materials, as well as the lossless audio. So as you may know, with Bluetooth, you get pretty bad compressed audio sometimes. With lossless audio, you potentially do get higher fidelity sound. This does work with Sony's Tempest audio engine as well. So you will get that 3D spatialized audio. that is built into the PlayStation 5. So that's super cool. And I don't know if you'll be able to see this. If we take a look very closely, see, it's basically like the square, triangle, circle, X. Like it's just a pattern that goes over. I don't know. That's like a nice little touch that I always like that PlayStation does. I don't think it's anywhere on here, though they do have a small PlayStation logo on the side here. I don't know if you could see that. So super, super awesome. I'm really, really interested to check this out, to see how it all works, to see how it all functions together, how it all goes together. But yeah, that's everything you get in the box here. I'm going to be diving in and checking these out over the next few weeks, and I will provide a full review, unbiased, of course, even though Sony sent these out and I didn't pay for them. I'm really excited to check these out, and I hope you're excited too. Make sure you're subscribed, like this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know if there's anything in particular that you'd like to know about these in the full review. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.